What's going on, Denise? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. I believe we spoke a little bit about you not having a website. And then obviously, I'm scrolling through your Facebook page over here to kind of see what we can do. So I definitely love Panda painting. It does look great, great logo. You do give a touch about what it is you do. And again, the last time that's a pinned post, but the last time you posted was November 15th. So definitely want to get more posts in there. I understand, like that's good. Work smart, not hard. LOL. I love that your numbers in there as well. But you're not really talking a lot about what it is you offer. Pictures are great, but at the same exact time, like you also have to start posting a lot more. Now, you do have a link over here to a website, but when I do put it in, it takes us more to here. Let me actually just show you. It takes us to, it starts to go to Facebook, and then it brings us here, pen painting or something. So I think either that's an overview or we got the wrong thing in there. Maybe we missed an A. It could be pendapainting.com. Actually, I'm going to try that just for fun. Let's see. New tab to the right. And we're going to do pendapainting.com. 404 not found. Okay, so we're having a tough time finding your website. If and again, you may or may not have one, but otherwise, not too bad. But let's take a look at some of the areas. So I looked at you do have Lagrange as your area that you do serve. Unfortunately, there's no real competition in that area for you, or anyone. If you wanted to get to the top of the list, then I guess I'll kind of show you how. But this is what we call a buyer intent keyword because somebody's looking for a painter in Columbus, Georgia. I noticed it wasn't too far away from you guys. But right off the bat, we're going to have all these ads. Now, ads are great and all. Oh, come on. How do you get rid of this? Ads are great, but if you don't do it correctly, it can be very costly to you. If you do it correctly, though, you can get a lot of those quick results in right away. Now, here is your organic, not organic, but your GMB, Google My Business profile. Very important to get in here. About 3 out of 10 people will click on this guy or one of these 3 websites, so you definitely want to be in there. And then we have our organic search. Now, anyone can rank in here as long as you do know what you're doing. It does take a website, though, of course. And then we have, right off the bat, Yelp, Home Advisor, BBB, Angie's List, and then finally your first contender, Fresh Coat Painters. So the other 4 were just, regular, like a Yelp kind of thing. This is actually a franchise. So they're local, but they're not local. So here they have a list of what it is they're doing, about us, resources. They have a blog, which is great. Get free quote, get free quote. So they have their numbers there, which is definitely what you want. Location served. So they do kind of the same area you do as well. I wonder if Phoenix City is a typo and it's really Phoenix City. Anyway, single room, entire house. So they're letting them know interior painting, exterior painting, along with a bit of of what they actually do. So that's excellent and that's very important. You definitely want people to read what it is you do. This is unnecessary, but people do put it in. They're giving you their, 333 service. Call answered in 3 minutes. Quote within 3 days. So honestly, I don't agree with that because no one spends more than 7 rings on the phone. So I'm not waiting 3 minutes for somebody to answer my call. No, thank you. I'm just gonna call somebody else. It's a problem with a franchise. Paint now, pay later. That's fine. Our photos, and then we're basically done. So overall, solid website. But let's take a look at the back end, see what it is they're actually doing. So this is freshcoatpainters.com again, franchise, but we're just looking at the Columbus, Georgia location. So they have a UR rating, which is, their actual website link over here, of a 10. Now you want it in the 30s. Now they also have a DR rating of 56, which is how much Google trusts them. Now they're connecting all of their locations together, so they have a high trust but a low strengthened website because their websites aren't that great. Now, all of this is connected with backlinks. So they do have 163 of them, and a backlink is where your website link is somewhere else that somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when you click on it, it comes back to you. They only have 8 that come back. But again, they're interconnecting all of their websites that they own. Then we also have to look at organic keywords, like what are people actually putting into Google to search for, right? So if I put in, like what I did earlier, I put in, painters, Columbus, Georgia, and I came up with them. What are other people putting in? So if they're ranking for all of these keywords. So if somebody were to put any of these guys in, they are in a position to get them. For example, painters Columbus, Georgia. That's what I put up top. They're getting 300 people a month to search for that keyword. They're bringing in 15 people a month because they're in position 7 for it. They're also doing house painting Columbus, Georgia. 50 people a month search for that. They got 5 people because they're in position 4. percentages go up the higher you are. It's typically around 10% when you're in like the top three. But you notice how they're all buyer intent. Exterior painters, Columbus, Georgia. Now there probably is exterior painters in LaGrange, Georgia, but I haven't found any. I haven't found anything for that or any competitors really. So if you really wanted to rank over there, that's definitely what you should be looking at. So how does this help you out? Honestly, website is definitely key. Content is key. So we got to get content on the website, about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage, just the homepage. And then we got to get better organic keywords in there as well. So you got to get actual keywords, what it is you're servicing, where you're servicing, and put those combinations in together, and you're good to go. And then you need backlinks. So honestly, just find out all your big competitors, take their backlinks, and put them in yourself. And now you have yourself an excellent um, website that will outrank everybody in the area. Well, Denise, that's all I got. I really hope that was helpful. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach back out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.